this is Puneet Gupta. I'm a founder and CEO of Clensta. We are into personal care space. We are IIT Delhi backed. We do largely research and development for hair and skincare products. Eventually, that leads to efficacious products in ecosystem. We were the winner of the 5th season of TiE Spirit of Manufacturing Award, and my experience has been great. Being TiE is a kind of a expert panel where you'll find experts from various domains, which gives you a lot of directional input. Whether you're in right direction or not. So once you have a directional input, it's always good to correct that kind of a journey, and that is what the experience comes into a picture. And hence, I would highly recommend for all entrepreneurs to participate in the upcoming season 10. This is kind of a great platform, not only validation of your thought standpoint, but it is also mentorship, connects and market access standpoint. I really wish good luck for everyone. Thank you so much. This is Puneet.